This is the lecture number 30. This is also the comparison among these three simple tenses. The tenses are the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense. To make comparison among them, we will see their negative structures. The negative structure of the simple present tense is subject plus do not or don't, does not or doesn't, then MV, then O, then C, then full stop. Again I will read. Subject plus do not or don't, does not, doesn't, MV plus O plus C plus full stop. This is the structure of the simple present tense. I will read now the structure of the simple past. Subject plus past verb. Negative. Past verb means negative. Did not or didn't. Plus MV plus O plus C plus full stop. Again I will read the structure of the simple past tense. Subject plus did not or didn't plus MV plus O plus C plus full stop. Now I will tell you the structure, negative structure of the simple future tense. Subject plus shall, will plus not. It means shan't or won't. Plus MV plus O plus C plus full stop. Again I will tell you the same structure. Subject plus shall, will plus not, that is shan't, that is won't. This shan't, this is won't are the short forms. Plus MV plus O plus C plus full stop. When we study these structures, then we say that there is the short form in the first structure, and that short form is don't. Long form is do not. Then in the second structure, there is the short form didn't, that is the short form of did not. Then in the third structure, there are the two short forms, shan't and won't. Shan't means shall not, and won't means will not. Now we will see the difference among these three tenses. We have taken these three structures, means the negative structures, and now we are studying the difference between these three structures. Our main motto, our main purpose is to understand, to grasp, to digest these three tenses, and that's why to see the differences among these three tenses is very essential. So the first difference is that means there is the difference of the helping verbs. There is the difference of the helping verbs. How in the simple present tense we have taken do not, don't, does not, doesn't, and in the simple past we have taken did not, didn't, and in the simple future tense we have taken shan't, won't, shall not, will not. This is only the difference among these structures or among these three tenses. Other remaining parts, which are the remaining parts? Subject, main verb, object, complement, full stop, these are the elements which are the same. They will not be different. They are same elements. So when we make the comparison among these three tenses, then we understand that do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, shall not, shan't, will not, won't. These are the helping verbs, and these helping verbs have made these three structures, or these helping verbs have made these three tenses. The other parts, the remaining parts of the structures or the remaining parts of the sentences are the same. Means main verb, object, complement, full stop. In three tenses they are same. Means verbs will be or will occur differently, object will occur differently, complements will occur differently, but they are same. My point is that they are same. MB, O, C, full stop, they are same. That is the main point. And the main verbs are also same. Again, I am discussing that the main verbs are also same. It means the main verbs come in them. The main point is that when we prepare the simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense, the main verbs come with the helping verbs. It means helping verbs plus main verb, negative helping verb plus a main verb is equal to these structures we can see. Other elements are the same. Again, I am telling you other elements. Which are the other elements? Main verb, object, complement, full stop. These are the same elements in three structures, and these elements are same. So we should give the full stop at the end of the sentence. The main important thing is that the students forget to give the full stop at the end of the sentence. So when we make the simple negative structures of these three tenses, we should give the full stop at the end of the sentences. Now we will see some examples. I, we, you, they don't write on the slate. I, we, you, they don't write on the slate. Here, if the subject is I, we, you, they, boys, girls, means if the subjects are plural, then we say don't write, don't go, don't play, don't see, like this. So we have taken the example I, we, you, they don't write on the slate. And if the subjects are he, she, it in the simple present tense, then we will talk this sentence, or we will read this sentence, or we will study this sentence. He, she, it doesn't write on the slate. He, she, it doesn't write on the slate. It means he doesn't write on the slate, she doesn't write on the slate, or it doesn't write on the slate. Means in this way, these examples will be there, and we will speak or write with such examples. Then we are now discussing about the simple past tense. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. All these means we will take any subject, and in front of any subjects there will be only didn't write, didn't play, didn't go, didn't stop. It means I did not stop, she did not stop, we did not stop, boys did not stop, boys did not go, girls did not go, like this we can speak. So our sentence here will be I, we, you, they, he, she, it didn't write on the slate. So the difference is that the simple past tense only takes the verb didn't and main verb. It means didn't talk, didn't go, didn't enter, did not see, like this. And when we see about the simple future tense, then the structures will be I, we shall not go, we shall not go, we shall not play, we shall not dance, like this. And here the structure, here the sentence the sentence which we have taken, that sentence will be like this. We shall not or shan't write on the slate. Means we shall not or shan't write on the slate. The second example will be you, they, he, she, it will not write on the slate. So the difference is that only among the verbs, and other parts are the similar parts, other parts are the same parts. So here in this lecture today, the part 3, we have seen the difference between these simple tenses. We have taken the negative structure of 3 tenses, and we have compared these 3 tenses to understand grammar, to understand English, or to speak and write English properly. Here today we have finished the topic, and again I request you all, don't go outside, you only remain at home. If you need some work, then come out, because we have seen that, we have experienced that the corona is outside. So I hope that you will listen to me carefully, and you will not go out of the houses, you will not leave the houses. Thank you very much.